this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create two false type of question in your question bank. So for this same procedure, you have to create these questions in your question bank. So go to your course first after login, and then go to question bank. Suppose you want to create questions in the same category. So you have categories, like you want to create question in topic 1. So you click here, or otherwise you just create a question and then you can select the category from here. So I'm already in category 1. So select the question, create a new question. This time you are going to select true or false. So I'm doing this add. Suppose the question is computer is a device. So maximum mark 1. If it is true, mark 1. If it is not, the mark 0. So here you have to put for true, well done. So here the correct answer is true. Sorry, try again. So the answer is true. Computer is an electronics device. True. If it is true, they will get the feedback well done and 1 mark. This one. If it is false, sorry, you try again. If you want to allow so many choices, if you want to allow multiple choice, they can try again, then it's up to you. But for true and false, it's only 1 choice. So here I have written 1. Then you click on save the changes. The question is here. So this question, if you want to add it, you can still add it. You can add it again. You can preview. I'm previewing here. You see here. So computer is a device. If I'm writing false, submit, finish. Sorry, try again. Now I cannot try again because I asked the user to select only once. So because you are admin, so you can try again. True, false. Submit the finish. Well done. You see here. So that's how you can create questions in your question bank. And this time we have learned how to create 2 false type of question in your question bank. So for this tutorial, that's all. Thank you.